Click on the subscribe button and remember to press the bell icon for regular notifications from our digital blogger.
Hello friends, welcome to our digital blogger. Today we are going to compare Achievers Equities versus Choice Broking. Achievers Equities has been around for a while, started as a full service stockbroker, works as a discount one now. Choice Broking is a full service one. In this comparison, we will be talking about multiple aspects including company background, account opening and maintenance charges, brokerage plans, exposure or leverage offered across segments, research quality, performance of trading platforms and some other features that can help you to figure out which of these two stockbrokers is a better choice for you. Let's get started. So starting with the company background, Achievers Equities is a discount broker while Choice One is a full service stock broker. Achievers was established in the year 2012. Choice Broking is 2 years older to it, launched in the year 2010. Since Choice Broking is a full service stock broker, they have presence across 75 branches across different parts of the country. Achievers Equities, being a discount broker, do not have anything except their head office. Both of these stock brokers are members with NSE, BSE, MCX, MCXSX, while Achievers Equities has a running membership with NSEL as well. If you're looking to open an account with them, Achievers Equities is going to charge you 750 rupees to open the trading account, while to maintain your trading account with them every year, you are required to pay them 400 rupees. That's pretty expensive. Choice Broking has 4 plans when it comes to account opening and maintenance. The default one is 200 plus 500, where 500 is the cost of power of attorney, which is a one-time cost, while 200 is going to be a regular recurring one every year cost. So they've got other 3 plans as well. One of them includes a one-time cost of 1000 and you got 3 years AMC free. 1500 you get a lifetime AMC free, and with 3000 rupees you get lifetime AMC free plus you get the refundable deposit as well. So 3000 you provide is going to be coming back to you once you're closing the account with them. Now this is about the account opening charges. Certainly Achievers Equities is way expensive than Choice Broking is. Then we have brokerage, very important factor in finalizing a stockbroker for yourself. Achievers Equities has multiple plans. We'll go to the digitalblogger.com website to have an understanding about it. But Choice Broking is pretty straightforward. They are full service stockbroker. They're going to charge you a percentage based brokerage, wherein, for example, equity delivery, you are going to pay 0.2% of your trade value. The executive says 20 paisa brokerage. Do not take it literally 20 paisa. It's going to be 0.2% of your trade value. For instance, if you trade for 1 lakh rupees, your overall brokerage is going to be 200 rupees. So that is the case with Choice Broking, pretty straightforward in nature. Achievers Equities has multiple plans, and for that we need to head to digitalblogger.com. So Achievers Equities has daily, monthly and fixed brokerage per executed order as well. Now for monthly trades, you can pay 750 rupees for the whole month. That's a one-time cost, and you can trade for unlimited number of trades for the whole month across the segments. Now this is suitable for heavy traders. You have to check with the broker because they change their plans every now and then. 750 rupees is cost for a specific segment, so you have to understand that if you are trading in equity, then you have to pay 750. If you want to trade in currency or commodity, they have separate charges for them. Then if you're looking to pay on a daily basis, you do not trade every day. In that case, what you can do is pay 50 rupees on a daily basis and you can trade for unlimited number of trades with the broker. Then they have per executed order level brokerage plan too, wherein you pay 15 rupees per executed order, and that's it for you. Now it really depends on your trading style, your trading behavior, your risk appetite and a lot of other factors, and based on that they've got a couple of plans for you and you can decide for yourself which suits you the best. So these are different brokerage plans offered by Achievers Equities. While we talked about Choice Broking, they've got pretty straightforward a percentage based model. Next up we have exposure or leverage. Some people call it margin as well. Now Achievers Equities does not provide much of an exposure to you. 5 times for intraday, 0 for delivery. However, There are few stocks for which Achievers Equities has recently opened at exposure values, and that can go up to 8 times of your trading account balance. Choice broking, on the other hand, 10 times for intraday and 2 times for delivery. In other segments, you can see choice broking consistently provides you some sort of exposure, while Achievers Equities fails to do that and gives you a mediocre level understanding. Now, from this perspective, actually both of these stockers are pretty average in nature as far as exposure or leverage is concerned. There are stockbrokers that can go up to 30 times, 40 times for intraday and 10 times for delivery. Similarly, 7 to 8 times for other segments. So you have to see which segment in the first place you're looking to trade in, and whether exposure is going to be one of the major expectations from your end. If that's the case, well, you should actually be going ahead with some other stockbroker. Nonetheless, you can go with either of these if exposure is not a concern you're looking at. Then customer service, another important factor. Now, being a discount broker, Achievers Equities gives you email support, live chat, phone and toll-free number, while choice broking goes up to email, phone and offline branches. Now, in terms of communication channels, both of them are pretty much on a similar level. However, when it comes to the actual ground reality, choice broking is way below average in its customer service. Achievers Equities does an average job. It's not that great again, but it still does an average job and keeps you satisfied with its support. Now, this is about customer service. Then we have research and trading products. Now, Achievers Equities, although it's been a discount broker recently, however, it comes from full service stockbroking background and they still have their research team intact. So both of these stockbrokers provide you all kinds of tips, recommendations, research and analysis at multiple levels, be it futures options, so derivative is covered, then there is intraday trading, then at fundamental or long-term investments, you've got it covered as well. So more or less, you will be able to get all kinds of research reports and recommendations, but accuracy is one problem with choice broking. It's actually below 50% in many cases. Achievers Equities does an average job again. It's not great. So again, if you're looking for a stockbroker with great research, well, both Achievers Equities and choice broking are not going to fill in that particular space. You will have to look for other stockbroker. Trading segments, you can trade across multiple segments here: equity, mutual funds, IPOs, currency, commodity. Choice broking in fact gives you 3 to 4 other trading and investment products than the one listed here. Then finally, we have some other features. It really depends whether you are looking for these features in the first place. In case you are, then you can make a choice appropriately. Otherwise, you can go ahead with the rest of the expectations. Now let's spend some time talking about their trading platforms. They've got a mobile app, a web-based browser application, and terminal-based softwares as far as choice broking is concerned. Similar is the case with Achievers almost. We'll start with the mobile app, and for that we need to check out Google Play Store. So the trading platforms offered by choice broking include the mobile app. So we've already discussed about this. You can have a detailed understanding in this page here. Then they have Choice Investica. This is a browser-based web application, quite exhaustive in terms of number of features. It is lightweight in nature, can be used across devices because it's also responsive. At the same time, if you look at different features here, it gives you decent user experience, allows you to trade across multiple segments, gives you detailed charts, analysis, related features. For instance, you get heat maps, technical indicators, option strategies, everything of that is available within this application. So certainly it's a recommendable software and you can use it for your trading. Then they have Odin. They do not have their own in-house terminal-based solution. They've outsourced it to fintech and they have given them Odin, which is actually used by a lot of stockbrokers. So is the case with choice broking. Odin gives you multiple types of features. Speed and performance is also good. The only concern with Odin Diet is that its user experience is pretty compromised actually. So if you look at Odin and if you look at some of the other terminal-based solutions designed and developed by some of the prominent stockbrokers of India, you will feel the difference while you are using these applications. In terms of user experience, in terms of your trading experience, you will figure out the difference instantaneously. Then another concern is that if you have got a feedback, if you have got a comment that you want this stockbroker to incorporate in this trading application of theirs, they will not be able to do that because Odin Diet is not in their control. Odin Diet is maintained by Financial Technologies, and what is the best they can do is they'll probably forward your comment, forward your feedback to the technical team of Odin Diet, and they, looking at the priority and the severity of the issue, will fix the issue. So that's the concern with the third party so outsourced application. Otherwise, choice broker gives you average level of trading applications. Mobile app is something that they have to work upon, but their web-based application and their audit diet looks good. Now let's talk about Achievers Equities and see what they have to provide to their clients when we talk about trading platforms. So Achievers Equities, we know that they do not have their mobile app in the first place. They haven't really outsourced one for their clients. So that's the kind of problem we are going to face with a client of Achievers Equities. But as far as other trading platforms are also concerned, they have done nothing really in-house. They've outsourced the browser-based application. They allow their clients to use now online. Now this is a lightweight application, but the problem is going to be the same. User experience as well as the control of the application is not handled by this stockbroker themselves. Then they have Now Trader, which is a terminal-based solution. You can download this, install this onto your laptop computer, and you can start trading. Gives you multiple types of features, decent user experience and speed. But again, the control does not really stay with the stockbroker, and you will stay with your problem, with your feedback, because it's not going to get fixed by the broker themselves. So these are different trading platforms, although none of them are going to impress you a lot, because today when you look at some of the most innovative discount stockbrokers or few full service stockbrokers as well, they've got a plan for their trading platforms. They know what users are looking for, what kind of devices they are preferring, what kind of features they are expecting. So that's the level of trading platforms these days, and they are stockbrokers such as Achievers Equities who are stuck with third-party applications, and they do not really have anything going on their own as far as technology is concerned. We do not recommend you to go ahead with any of these trading applications, because either it could be paid, so it won't be as free. Secondly, if you got any problem with this application, none of the users, none of the technical experts from this broker are going to solve it, so you'll be staying with that issue forever. So these are different trading platforms offered by these two stockbrokers. Let's get back to the comparison. So that is it as far as comparison between Achievers Equities and Choice Broking is concerned. We talked about multiple features here. Now, depending on your requirements and your preferences, you can take a final judgment. However, if you need some advice in finalizing a stockbroker for yourself, what you can do is check out this link, digitalblogger.com/free callback broker choice. Put in your details and your preferences there, and we will be setting up a callback for you absolutely free. So that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching it. We hope you liked it. In case you did, please go ahead and press the thumbs up button. We'll really appreciate that. You can also subscribe to our channel, Digital Blogger, at YouTube for similar videos in the future. You can follow us, like us, subscribe us at Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr and SlideShare. We are present on different social media channels with the same handle, Digital Blogger. We post regular content in form of articles, infographics, videos, stats, a lot of that stuff, so that you can stay updated with the market information. So again, thank you so much for watching the video. Bye-bye.